Hello, my name is Ashley, and I would first like to start off by saying thank you so much to Mr. Saad Ali for creating the Forex for Beginners Academy. It's been an absolute game changer. I first got into Forex about a year and a half to 2 years ago. Learned some things, but nothing stuck, nothing clicked until I went through the Forex for Beginners Academy. I've learned so much about marking up the charts, trend lines, the channels, the moving averages, Fibonacci retracements, all of that. I'd seen it, I'd watched videos on it, but it didn't make sense until I watched Mr. Ali's video. So thank you so much for that. I've learned so much and it's free. He's giving this away. You cannot beat that. Also, the student group, the private student group, gives you a chance to watch the videos and then go back, practice marking up a chart. You get to post it and he comes on and he critiques it for you. He tells you, what you did right, what you may have done wrong, or what you can do to improve it. And it's just awesome. The students, they also chime in and give their opinions on your charts and help you out. So it truly is an amazing course. It's an amazing opportunity. And I am so glad that I stumbled across the Forex for Beginners Academy. Anybody that's out there that may be on the fence about it, or you're looking for a good group where you don't have to pay all this money up front and pay a monthly fee, the Forex for Beginners Academy is it. I promise you, you will not regret it. Thanks again to Mr. Saad Ali for creating this course. Thank you for all the Forex for Beginners students. I am so grateful, and I can't wait to go live and start making some money and eventually turn in my nursing key. I know it's probably going to be a while, and I know it's, that's my ultimate goal though. And I do believe that with the amount of knowledge that you've given me, Mr. Ali, I believe that I can do that. I do believe that I can turn in my nursing key one day. And that is my ultimate goal. Thank you again so much, and good luck to everybody that's on this journey.